a 2-year-old London startup, just became Europe's first humanoid robot unicorn. Humanoid raised $152 million, led by Prime Movers Lab, with Schaeffler, Bosch, and Aglia joining the round. Founded in 2024, Fortune 500 partnerships in year 1, a binding Schaeffler deal in May. Unicorn status by July. The HMND-D01 ships in 2 bodies, wheeled for factory floors, bipedal, or walking matters. The real asset is KinetIQ, one shared brain coordinating a whole fleet, handing tasks robot to robot. Schaeffler signed binding paperwork for 1 to 2,000 wheeled humanoids across its plants by 2032, and Bosch went further than cash. It is Humanoid's contract manufacturing partner, building the machines. The race is global. Figure at BMW, Apptronik at Mercedes, Digit at Amazon, and Tesla's Optimus still coming. 2 years from idea to unicorn. In this market, a decade of planning just became a liability.